Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to edit your photos from this to this. So let's get straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is get your pictures. I have 3 of them lined up here, and I've already made like a preset out of it, as you can see. And all it is you're not going to be using anything apart from the tone curve. And I know most of you probably use a tone curve like this and then create like a little S curve or whatever. But instead of doing that, what we're going to do is come down to here, click that little box and you will get this one. And here you can like actually change the highlights and lights and stuff to like a precise number. So I will leave the preset down in my description below so you can download it. And it's literally, I just called it adjustment because all you're doing is adjusting a few things. And all I've done is adjusted the lights and stuff. And obviously each photo will be different, so you could change it to whatever you like. So I'm just going to change a few things here. I like my photos a bit bright and airy, so I'm going to not change too much about it. But yeah, that's literally it. And then just put your lens correction on. That's a bit too bright. And yeah, let me show you the before and after. But this adjustment is so versatile, you can use in any pictures as you want. So I'll show you another example. So here's a picture I took for a clothing brand called Mandem, and it came out nice. Like, don't get me wrong, it's a nice photo, but just adding that small adjustment, you can see a huge difference. So look, it's just adding some sort of colour and contrast to the picture as well. And if you want to go and edit more, then obviously you can go to the basic panel and change around a few bits and stuff. But 80% of the time I literally just add this filter onto my pictures and then leave it. Literally that's all I do. Alright, for some reason they're coming out proper bright. Let me just put this down a little bit. And yeah, that's literally it. Like, I could have sold you guys presets, but you know, I'm just being a nice guy. I'll do another example on this picture. Did this picture for a clothing brand called Dubella, and all I do is literally add this adjustment and you can see a massive change. Let me try to get before. So before and after. And then obviously you could change all these other stuff to your style, to your desire. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys, and that's how I edit my pictures to like a very natural and airy look. So if you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos.